my channel. Today's video is going to be one of the most highly requested video on my channel, which is my hair care routine. A lot of you have been commenting to do this for a while now. So today I thought of just sitting down and talking to you about my hair care routine. Now before starting with the video, I just want to say that my hair are one of the most neglected part of my body. Like, I know I've been blessed with long hair. I do take care of my hair, but not the way I should be taking care of them. So yeah, I take my hair for granted always, and I generally don't do a lot of things on my hair. I know this might come out like, oh my god, she's lying or something like that, but I'm being completely honest with you all. I do not take care of my hair at all. Like, I do oil them, and I do a few things which I've been doing for the past couple of years, which have obviously helped my hair, but I don't go for those pamper sessions for my hair. I don't go for a lot of hair spas or anything of that sort. Before starting, I have something else to talk. I'm so sorry this video is going to be so long and half of it is going to be rambling. So I come across a lot of girls who are always complaining about their hair, that my hair are so oily, or I have got such straight hair, so curly, less volume, a lot of problems. Like, if you ask a girl, 90% of her problems are related to hair. Like, I don't know, a lot of girls have hair problems. So I just want to say that nobody is perfect, and your hair are something which you don't choose. These are your genes. I think it's just that you're blessed with a particular kind of hair. You do not choose the way your hair should be. So the time you start accepting the way your hair are, I think your life gets much more easier. Even if you've got oily hair, rough hair, straight hair, curly hair, or a number of problems that you face with your hair, just start accepting the way they are and just start styling them and taking care of them. Now, I don't say don't go for smoothings or all that kind of things that are there in the market, or I myself have my hair colored, but just love your hair the way they are, accept them, and then start styling them. This is something that I really wanted to talk to you guys about. Now let's just quickly jump into the video. Now, my hair care routine, one thing that I really want to stress upon is oiling your hair, and this is the first tip that I have for everyone. A lot of people ask what shampoo you use or what kind of conditioner you use. It's actually not the shampoo or conditioner that play the major role, it's oiling your hair. And for oiling my hair, I always go for, before washing my hair, I always oil my hair. Now, earlier what I used to do, like when I was in school or in high school, I used to oil my hair on Saturday evening, and I used to wash it in the Sunday morning. And what I noticed was that I started getting acne all over my forehead because oil used to drip at night and it used to come here, and I have super oily skin, so it started causing acne because I've got super oily skin. So to avoid that, what I do now is I just oil my hair for 2 hours maximum. I think 2 hours are more than enough. Yeah, this is something which is very important. Now it comes to oil, I do not have a favorite oil. I used to use mustard oil, which is sarson ka tel, a lot, and that really transformed the texture of my hair. My hair was much more softer and very shiny after I started using mustard oil. Now a disadvantage of using mustard oil is that you're gonna smell like a pakoda or a samosa because it stinks so much, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So if you can compromise on the smell of the mustard oil, it's a great oil for oiling your hair. Another oil that I have is this Patanjali Nariyal Tel. I already reviewed it on my Patanjali review. I will link the video in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. And coconut oil is great for your hair. It really nourishes your hair. In case you don't have time for oiling your hair, what you can use is this Garnier Fructis Oil and Cream. This is how it looks. This is great. It's got oil. This is an oil replacement cream with coconut, almond and olive oil, triple nutrition. So you can use this oil in cream, and I really like it. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner, or you can apply it before washing your hair. So yeah, this is kind of great. I also like the Juicy Chemistry Mango and Argan Oil hair mask that they have. I have done a review on Juicy Chemistry which will also be linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, it's great for winter season, and it really moisturizes and nourishes your hair. It hydrates your hair and your hair feels super soft after using that mask. So what I like to do for pampering my hair every once or twice a month is that I wrap a hot towel around my hair and I let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I just wash my hair. The steam that is generated really opens up my pores and makes my hair really soft, and yeah, it really makes a lot of difference, so make sure you try that out. Now coming to shampoo, I generally shampoo once a week and I do not use a conditioner daily. I use conditioners twice a month, or I just use conditioner when I know I'm going to use any heating on my hair, because I don't know, conditioner makes my hair really soft, but at the same time I lose a lot of hair. The hair fall increases tremendously if I use a conditioner, so I generally don't use a conditioner because I don't think so that it makes that much of a difference. And for shampoo, the shampoo that I'm currently using is this Fab India shampoo in Silk Protein. I will be reviewing this really soon, so yeah, so expect a Fab India review coming up on the channel really soon. I like to change my shampoo, like whenever I run out of a bottle I go and buy another shampoo. I don't have a very favorite or a very particular shampoo that I've been using for years, and I have been changing my shampoos on a regular basis. I really like the L'Oreal 5-in-1 repair one. I also like Tresemme shampoos, the hair fall one and the repair one. I don't know the names exactly, but I absolutely love the Tresemme shampoo range. It's one of my most favorite shampoos and I've been using it a lot frequently in the past 2 years. And for conditioning, I use this Tresemme Climate Control conditioner for frizz-prone hair. This is how it looks, and I do not apply conditioner on my roots because it makes your roots softer and your hair fall increases to an even much greater extent. So I apply this on the length of my hair, like just below my just below my neck, and I apply it on the length of my hair. So yeah, this really helps if I'm using any kind of heat on my hair. Another organic conditioner that you can use on your hair is coconut milk that is available. It is 90% coconut milk. I do not have it right now. I will insert a picture of it somewhere on the screen so that you have an idea. It comes in a Tetra pack, and it is from Homemade, I think, and it's the coconut milk. If you find it, please grab it and use it on your hair. Just apply it directly on your hair and let it sit for 30-40 minutes, and you wash your hair. It will feel so soft, like so soft. After washing my hair, I do not generally blow dry my hair like on a daily basis. I do that if I have to go out somewhere. Generally, I let my hair air dry. I do not use any kind of heat on my hair. I do not straighten my hair every now and then because I've got really straight hair. They do not need to be straightened at all. In case I have to use a heating tool on my hair, I make sure I use a heat protectant. This one is by L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hairstyle Boosted Blowout Hair Spray, Heat Spray, Lasting Volume and Heat Protection. This is how it looks, and it comes with this little pump. After washing my hair, I like to apply a serum. The serum that I use is this Streaks Vitalized with Walnut Oil Hair Serum. This is how the bottle looks like. I'm sure you've seen it a lot of times in a lot of other videos. This one is great. You can go for any serum that you like. You can go for Oriflame, Avon, Livon is also great. So yeah, there are a lot of serums available in the market, and you can there are a lot of serums available in the market and you can go for any of it. I use just 2 pumps of it on and apply it evenly on all of my hair and let my hair air dry. And once they're damp, like they're not wetting or something, they're just damp, I use a brush or a wide tooth comb and I just comb my hair like that. So yeah, this was my hair care routine for you all. I hope you guys like this video. I know this is going to be a little bit long video. I'm so sorry. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This would mean a lot to me. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media. I keep on posting a lot of pictures every now and then on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.